Hey guys, it's Noelle here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys my recipe for my favorite gluten and dairy-free chocolate chip cookies. They're so good. So I'm going to start off with almond flour. We're going to be using vanilla extract, organic coconut sugar, salt, baking soda, butter, allergen-free chocolate chips, as well as some eggs. So let's get started. I actually found this recipe online, and I'm going to be doing everything in half to yield 12 cookies. So we're going to start with our bowl. Make sure you have your measuring cup, your measuring spoons, and we're going to start off by adding 1 1/4 cup of almond flour. Probably added more than the recipe calls for, but it's okay. Everything's going to be just fine. We're then going in with a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're then going to add 1/2 cup of our allergen-free chocolate chips, free from the top 8 allergens. They are delicious, and they're dark chocolate, my favorite. I love me some dark chocolate, y'all. We're then going to go in with our wet ingredients, so a 1/4 cup of salted butter melted in the microwave. Pour all that in, baby. Oh yeah, we love some butter. We're then going in with our large egg and 1 large egg yolk whisked. Don't want to waste any of that egg, so make sure you get it all out. So next we're going on with our vanilla extract. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then we're going to go in with our clean and simple organic coconut sugar, unrefined honey, okay? We're going in with a 1/2 cup of that. I forgot to add that in with the dry ingredients, but it doesn't matter because it's all going in the same bowl. So this is what you have before you start mixing. So now you're going to just keep mixing until you marry all of those ingredients together. Look at the flick of that wrist, y'all. Look at the flick of that wrist, okay? So this is what the finished product looks like after mixing. So tempting to eat, but don't do it, you guys. Don't do it. So now I'm going to preheat my oven to 325 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and grease up these pans. Yes, I use aluminum foil because it makes cleanup easier, and I'm just rubbing my hands all in that oil, getting real dirty with it, and then I'm going to rub it all in my hands to keep them hands moisturized, girl, okay? So I'm going in with 1 1/2 tablespoons. This is a scooper, an ice cream scooper, and I'm going to just use that to scoop out the deliciousness inside of this bowl right now. So once your oven is nice and hot, you're going to place the cookies inside and let the magic happen, okay? I like to set a timer for 12 minutes to start, and then I kind of just check on them and, keep peeking my head in to see how they're doing. Sometimes I'll add a little bit more time. It usually takes an average of about 20 minutes or so, to be honest, and this is what they look like when they come out, you guys. So good. Oh my God, you guys are going to thank me later for this. These are so good. They will change your life, okay? They will change your life. I'm telling you, you guys will have a completely different outlook on gluten and dairy-free cookies. They're so good, you guys, and they're nice and cool. So I'm going to plate them. And here's the finished product ready to serve. They look so good. So I'm going to have my little sister, she's visiting me, so I'm going to have her try them out and we'll get her opinion on them. What else?
These are the perfect cookies I ever tasted. They're kid approved, as you can see. They're chocolate chip, which I